Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to mute any username on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The platform rolled out a new update that makes it much easier to mute specific accounts whether you want to tidy up your timeline or simply take a break from certain topics. This quick guide has you covered. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the X app or head over to the web version on your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. It's represented by 3 small dots inside a circle. Next, a menu will slide out. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Inside that menu, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where all your control options live: muting, blocking, and managing who interacts with you on the platform. Now, scroll down and select Mute and Block. Under this section, find and click on Muted Words. This page shows every word, phrase, and username you've muted so far. To add a new one, click the plus icon located at the top right corner. Here's the key part. In the text box, type the username you want to mute, but make sure to include the @ symbol before the name. For example, if you'd like to mute a user named Example User, type @Example User. After entering the username, you'll notice a few options below. You can choose where you want the mute to apply, such as your home timeline or notifications, and for how long you want it to last. The duration options include forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Pick the one that fits your needs best. Once you've filled in all the details, simply click Save. X will confirm that the username has been muted, and that account's posts and mentions will no longer appear on your feed or alerts. And that's it. You've successfully muted a username on X using your PC. Clean timelines, peaceful browsing mission accomplished.